Dog?
Are we ready for the park? The weather is beautiful today.
Almost. We have sandwiches, apples, and water. Where are the kids?
We are here, Mom. Kaka is wearing his shoes. Park! Park! Park!
All right, let's go.
Dog? No, Kaka. That is a squirrel. That is a squirrel. Come here.
Alex, where is Kaka?
He was right here. Kaka! Kaka!
Let's ask that woman on the path.
Excuse me, we lost our son. Can you help us?
Oh no, I can help. What does he look like? A little boy. He is 2 years old.
My little brother has short black hair and big dark eyes. He has a light blue t-shirt and blue shorts.
Ah! I saw a little boy following a squirrel. Go straight ahead. Then, turn right at the big oak tree.
Yes, that is him.
Straight ahead, thank you so much.
Excuse me, officer. We are looking for a 2-year-old boy. He has a blue shirt and denim shorts.
Don't worry, sir. I saw him just a minute ago. He is very safe.
Where is he?
Turn left here. Go past the playground. He is next to the big fountain.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Oh, Kaka! We were so worried.
Mom, water!
Yes, water. But you must hold our hands, okay? Do not run away.
I will hold his hand, Dad. Wow! Okay, family. Wow, what an adventure! Let's review the English words we used today. Next, we used words to describe people, like short black hair and blue t-shirt.
We also learned how to ask for directions. The jogger said, "Go straight ahead and turn right."
And we finally found Kaka at the fountain.
Exactly. Now let's enjoy our picnic. No more running away, little guy.